Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mix. In this video, I will let you know how to convert decimals to binary in Microsoft Excel. Here I have entered a few decimals and I want to convert them to binary. And I will let you know two different ways, two different functions to convert this. So in order to convert this, I first need to activate the formula mode of Excel, and that I can do by entering an equal sign. In here, the function that converts decimal to binary is decimal to binary. You see here it is decimal to binary, and now I need to give the information that which number is need to be converted, in that I want to give in the form of cell number. So I am on column C, and on column C I am in row number 4. So I enter C4. And if I enter C4 only and I run this command, it converts decimal to binary. And we know that the binary of 2 is 10. And if I drag this down and I do it for all the rest cell, you see there is a free well in the function. The number of binaries automatically increases with the increase in decimal. So in the first case, I have two binaries, and in the sixth, from fourth onward to seven, I have three binaries, and then for 20, I have or are five binaries. Okay, I want to change this function by fixing the number of binaries. I can add an optional number. For example, if I add 2, so I force Excel to express all the decimal in two binaries. And if I do that, and now I drag this down the free handler down to all the number, so it gives me the numbers with two binaries, but we, as a while just we saw there 4 to 7 need three binaries, and I have compelled the Excel to represent in it 2, so it is unable to represent that in 4. So what I do, if I change the number from 2 to 3, it will then be able to express the numbers from 0 to 7, but would fail to write a binary for decimal 20. So you see, so what I do, I want to change this number from 3 to 5. If I do that, and now I run this for all the options, it is now uniformly written in 5 decimals. So you can either add this optional number or leave it to Excel to represent the number of binaries. If you are not uh, int- if you are not interested in uniform number of binaries, so then don't add this optional number at this position. Now there is another way that you can do the same. So there is another formula. I add equal sign, then I add the function base is also used for converting um, decimals to binaries. And now I add here again C4 and C4, and then I add 2. Now I want to, if the base is a general conversion command, you can convert decimal to binary, binary to decimals, and so on. So if I now add C4 and then I add 2, it will convert the decimals in C4 to binary. And you see here I have given an optional number as well. If I add another number, like I add 3 and then close the bracket, now it will convert the decimal into binary with 3 digits. So you see now it is converted to 3 digits. And similarly, if I change this to 5, I'll get 5 digits. Right now it is written in 5 digits, and I carry the same process for the rest of them like this. So I can do it like this. And now I want to convert the binaries to decimal. So for that, again, I need to activate the formula mode by entering equal sign, and then I write binary to decimal, right? I write this, and here I just add the function. I add the cell number, and I can add either cell D, or I can add a cell number from column D or a cell number from column E. So I want to add E4. Then I close the bracket and run it. You see now this binary is converted to decimal, and if I check the free handler for the rest, so this way you can convert decimals to binaries or binaries to decimals in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching Safi Mixed.